Hello, my name is Reza Janati, and this is the video for my red belt exam. So, this is my welcome page, the index page, and as you can see, I'm testing the validation, and the validation is working. If there's no name, it says name should be required. If there's no email, it says that email should be required. If there's no birthday, it needs that, and so on. To add the birth date, I added this calendar so that you can just pick a date or whatever. So I'm already logged in here, so if I have the wrong email, it tells me that they can't find that user in the database, which is what it should do. So let's go into it, and here is my appointments page. I can input an appointment. So here I can add, and it will populate my database. And then once I have it on my table, I can it'll show up as pending, which is what it's supposed to do. And let's say I finished the test, so let's edit this. It takes me to my edit page, where I can edit what it says, and I can also choose the status, which is a option menu. And when I hit change, it takes me back to my table, and as you can see, I change the name and the task, and I also change the status. So let's say I want to delete this one. I just hit delete, and it goes away. Okay, and when I log off, it goes ahead and unsets the session and takes me back out to my login page. Here's the code. This is my main view page. My errors are separated for, this is my login errors, and down here this is my form for the registration, and I have a separate area for my registration errors. And then on my controller, I used a parent construct to load all my models and libraries first. And then here's my initial view loader. And then this is the loader that takes me to my main page and also allows me to go to my my model and pull out what information I need and then represent it to the right page, the right view page. Here's my register function. Here's my login function. And here's where I set the session, the current user. I set that in the session data there so that when I get to the next page, it shows the name if I want it. Like when I get to my appointment page, I can display welcome and then the name of the user. I have 3 view pages: my edit page, my appointments page, which is the main page, and then I've got my initial login page. I have one controller, which I think is pretty organized. I thought of maybe doing 2 controllers, but I handled it all in one place. But I also have 2 two model pages. This one pertains to my table user in my database. This one pertains to my tasks table in my database. And here's where I do all my logic and my queries for that. So yeah, hopefully you guys like what I did, and I had fun doing it, and I enjoy being part of Coding Dojo. Thank you so much.